This Century 21 Hancock Properties Incorporated property video is presented by Scott Grissom. Ranch home on a large .69-acre lot. Low traffic cul-de-sac street in established neighborhood. Easy commute to Durham/RTP. LVP in the main living areas. Open floor plan. Gas log fireplace in family room. Kitchen with large island, granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Master bath with large walk-in tile shower, quartz countertops. Wood shelving and master closet. Quest bath has tile flooring and quartz countertops. Screened porch for relaxing with family and friends. No HOA. For more information, review the details below or contact Scott Grissom at 919-691-4234.